Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve one of the most common Java 8 interview question, like finding the duplicate characters in a given string by using Java 8 strings. For this, I created a class, name it as an interview, and a main method, public static void main string args, and here, like it's accepting the input parameters like programming. It is a string type and we are returning list of characters. Let me write the logic for this. For this, I need to create a method that is find the duplicate characters, public static. Here I am list of characters. Return type is list of character. Like find duplicate chars. Like here it's accepting string as an input argument. Here I am try to write the logic in return statement only. For this one, input, here I'm converting the string, given string into the lowercase to lowercase by using to lowercase method in present in string class dot chars. Chars will convert our string into like int string dot map to object. Here I'm converting, like here I'm writing a lambda function for typecasting object to char dot dot collect collectors dot. Here I'm trying to grouping by character. Here I'm writing logic like function dot identify comma collectors dot counting. Here counting return type is long. Here we are passing in, like we can use summing int for int as a return type, like summing int. Here I need to pass like a of one dot entry set dot stream dot filter. Here I am filtering according to the whose key whose key value is greater than one. Like here we are getting the output as like it's a map of characters and integers. And here I'm filtering out the key whose value is greater than one. For this one, I'm using a filter like f dot get value whose value is greater than 1. I need to map into dot map dot entry set colon like get dot collect collectors dot to list. Here I'm in this line we are getting only whose value is greater than 1, and here I'm collecting the key whose value is greater than 1. Like here I'm trying to call the method like system.out.println, like Find the duplicate characters. Here I'm pausing. Here I'm intentionally pausing like M. It, it will convert the all uppercase letters into lowercase by using to lowercase. Let me run once. We are getting something like here R is repeated two times and G is repeated two times and M is repeated two times. Let's solve another mostly asked interview question like employer giving the employee details and we need to find the second highest salary by using Java and Streams. Let's dive into it. Like here I'm creating class employee and it's having fields like private, integer, EID, private, string, ename, like private, double, is salary. Let's try to create a constructors. One is no param constructor and another one is a parameterized constructor. For this one, you can click Alt Shift and S and select the constructor with fields and make sure that select all the fields and click on generate. Here delete super and here I'm creating getters and setters. Getters and setters. Select all, generate. Here I'm generating the toString method. Generate. Okay. Let's create a array list in order to store the employee details like employee. Here we need to pass each index type as employee. Here I am passing employees, new list. Here I am passing employees that add new employee. Like here I am passing one comma any random number employees dot add new employee to and Rani and any number like employees dot add new employee and 3 Suresh. Here I'm taking salary as 87,456.0 and add another employee. Employees dot add new employee EAD as 4 on name like Rakesh and pass any number dot employees dot add new employee 5 ish and and another number and employees dot add new employee and 6 Joe, John. Like here I'm taking random number. Okay. Here I'm trying to like employees dot stream dot sorted. Here I'm trying to sorting by using comparator. It's having comparator method dot collect collectors dot to list. Here I'm using a comma b like b dot get salary dot compare to a dot get salary. Like it will compare the two employees details at a time. If the it will try to arrange the employees according to the employee salary in descending order. Like here I'm assigning this to another local variable like assign statement to new local variable. Like here I'm using sorted employee employees, and let me show you uh, the employee details after sorting. Like sorted employees. Let's print the second highest salary. Like here I'm separating this one by this one. Sys out like sorted employees dot stream dot distinct dot skip one. By using skip one, we can skip the first highest salary. Dot to find first. Find first method is used to find the first element in the array list or list. Dot get. Here find first return the optional. In order to get the actual value, we using get. Like let me try to run the program. Run as Java application. Yeah, like here is the employee details in descending order. Here is it is a first highest salary employee. It is a second highest salary employee. Like here I am getting like second highest salary employee detail. Like let me show you in another way. Like here I'm creating for each loop. Like here I'm trying to print the employees details one by one. Like sys out employee. Let me run our program. Like this is a employee details in descending order. Like here is the first highest salary, and here is the second highest salary, and so on. Like here I am getting second highest salary by using this and here by using this. Here distinct is used to remove the duplicates from the list, and skip one is used to skip the first highest salary. Like find first is used to get the after removing first highest salary, we only contain array list only contains this elements. By using find first method, we are getting this object it this object in optional format. In order to get the actual object, we need to call the get method.